Hi everyone, this is Ayla Marie Galang. Today I will be discussing and giving you the knowledge about the teaching with technology. Technology has changed the world of teaching and learning how we use it to make the difference. There are effects of technology on learning and teaching and what the experiences teaches us. Why we use technology. First is interactivity. Interactive display technology can allow teachers to think outside the box and integrate more on the creative ideas than ever before when lesson planning. By making teaching strategies more flexible, teachers are better able to adapt their lesson to suit the learning styles of different students or classes. The second one is the content delivery or revision. Using technology to deliver some of course materials gives students more time and resources to discover and explore content on their own and increase the amount of time available for the students and the instructor to work through problems and primary lectures example together using the real world application and reinforce the content that students encountered outside class. And the third is the managing and learning and resources. Information represented, accessible, or stored in a variety of media and formats that helps learning. Learning source materials includes books, electronic, printed journals, web resources, audiovisual material, social media, learning objects, and newspaper databases and digital and printed archives and special collections. Next is collaboration. Collaboration technology helps expanded access to education. With it, schools have the ability to reach more students using video. Online instruction can be effective as traditional face-to-face interaction. Technology extends learning beyond the classroom. Next is the communication. Information and communication can be impacts students' learning when teachers are digitally literate and understand how to integrate it into curriculum. Schools use a diverse set of ICT tools to communicate, create, disseminate, store, and manage information. Next is the sense of cohort. A cohort model features a delivery structure that is driven by the expectation, experiences, and beliefs of the cohort participants. It is usually implemented based on the applicable theories such as structural framework. The next is the variety of teaching and learning preferences. A variety of models point to the multiple and varied factors that influence learning. And the last one is the formative and summative assessment. How does this help? First, allow students control on their own learning. In a traditional lesson, a teacher presents material and students all engage in the same way. Technology also motivates students to learn. They look forward to having the time on their own devices to explore and learn things through websites, videos, apps, and games. Second is allows teachers to guide more and teach less. Teachers understandably concerned that this distraction is too great for students to handle during class and it is detrimental to students' learning. Given the challenges of allowing phones in the classroom, many schools completed ban on them and other require students to lock them up. Third is allow students to build up knowledge, become part of the teaching process, can provide some really engaging and learning experiences. Teachers can provide scaffolding and safety nets. Scaffolding is breaking up the learning into chunks and providing a tool or a structure with each chunk. At-risk students can be identified more quickly, and the last is collaborating can be very well supported. There are reasons for using technology in teaching. First is to provide opportunities for more learning-centered instruction. Permits instruction to be contextualized. allow students to explore and make mistakes, learn from their errors, because errors can lead to more active and interactive modes of instruction and greater collaboration, cooperation, and create a small group of work. Best practice in higher education. First is the good practice encourages contacts, students, and faculty. And the second one is a good practice develop reciprocity. The third is a good practice use active learning and techniques. And the last one is a good practice gives prompt of feedback. What technological teaching us? First is PowerPoint. Recent teaching technology education is the effective use of technology tools in learning such as concept and concerns, an array of tools such as media, machines, and networking hardware, as well as considering underlying theoretical perspective of effective application. Next is student classroom response system lectures, specific disciplinary application, designing web-based interactive learning modules, and the last is a simulation of teaching skills and concepts. Why we use technology. Technology is important because it makes you feel more secure with every area in life, both our personal or business reasons. With technology advancing, more people are able to have access to supplies such as fresh waters and food because technology can help delivery those items to people that otherwise couldn't get it, and fundamental structural changes and to use support teaching and learning. Technology infuses. Technology infusion is a measure of the extent to which technology permeates an organization. First is classroom. It helps students and teachers organize students' work, boost collaboration, and foster better communication. Next is computer. Computer can make job become easier. They can be used for communicational purposes, to store and calculate data, and to write up massive document multiple times while only needing to write it up once. Next is handheld devices, course offering, learning materials, and the last one is experiences. Experiences technology is the ability to enhance the relationship between teachers and students. When teachers effectively integrate technology into subject areas, teachers grow into roles of advisor, content expert, and coach. Blended learning is a style of education in which students can learn via electronic and online media as well as traditional face-to-face teaching. It integrates curriculum and can vary across every schools. Strategy of learning. More specifically, a learning strategy is individuals' ways of organizing and using a particular set of skills in order to learn content or accomplish other more effectively and efficiently in school as well as non-academic settings. It enables to work before and after schools and also with full-time conventional classroom interaction. Instructional technology is a branch of education concerned with the specific study of instructional design and development. The main purpose of instructional designers is to create engaging, effective learning experiences. There are a variety of models become an important part of teaching, learning within the classroom, working with fully online environment, resources for educating, assisting best practice for become crucial. Technology influences teaching us. Using technology is to enhance teaching, learning, and practices in the classroom. We use iPads, mobile phones. So mobile phones is a very crucial we use in our generation. The internet and the social networking tools outside the classroom. Technology teaching facilitates only essentially a social process requiring communication among learner, teachers, and others cannot effectively replaced by technology, and technology may facilitate it. Learning-centered teaching means that the decisions are made with specific references to the kind of learning that is desired, and strategies are chosen because they are the most likely to support that kind of learning. Decision about curriculum instruction, assessment, acknowledgement and respect and accommodate difference of background. There are the ability, style, and experiences, and the learners teach as a co-creators and the learning process and the teaching. In teaching or presenting PowerPoint, first is we need to be simple or simplify difficult material. Second is use it as supplement, not the entire presentation, because when we say entire presentation, it makes us boring. And the third is a focused learning, not technology. Integrating internet-based technology. This technology we use in internet, email, lost servers or discussion, video conferencing, whiteboard, and the personal digital assistants. Technology integration is the use of technology resources such as computers, mobile devices like smartphones and tablets, digital cameras, social media platform and networks, and to be invisible on learning of standard-based curriculum and provides a variety of new ways to learn. Implement, integrate, infuse. There are a lot of seamless technology, participate in technology-based instruction, storyboard of lesson plan, scaffolding, and templates, how to use step by step, infuse resources, funding, software, equipment, and the people, training, supplies, and students. It allows flexibility and rule shift. There are top 10 integration tips. First is focus on the learning objectives, makes it interactive and fun. Problem-based activities will engage. And the fourth is do it yourself first before others. Fifth is build relationship to others. Six is talk about copyright often because copyright is not necessary. Seventh is the known the standards. Eight is the revised teaching styles to accommodate technology or the adaptation. Use peer observation and online video demonstration in order to instruct your students. And the last is tap into your students' creativity. There are top 10 integration adult education teacher success indicators. First is increased number of teachers uses education, increased satisfaction levels of teachers, and increased opportunity for all adult learners. Thank you and God bless everyone.